protein called collagen. The collagen is then hydrolyzed to produce gelatin. So what food is it in? Gelatin is used to make jelly, marshmallows, gummy sweets, yogurt and more. So where and why is it used? Gelatin is used for a whole host of things, from food, pharmaceuticals, photography, and even paper production. Gelatin is useful as it can be colourless, odourless and tasteless. It can be easily digested and soluble in hot water. It has the ability to form strong, transparent gels and form a positive binding action. All these traits make it very versatile.